Hi, this is your host, Louella Eslao-Alix for Tastes of Cebu. Welcome to another episode. And this time, we are going to do bam-i again. There were several requests to have us air bam-i. So instead of showing the previous episode, we decided to do it from the start once again. I think bam-i is very popular because it's a good dish to serve during celebrations for events like birthdays and any occasion that you want to celebrate. It is easy to make and it's not too expensive to make either. Karon, ipakita nako ang atong mga ingredients, no? I'll show you the ingredients for the bam-i. By the way, bam-i is the iconic Cebuano noodle dish. Mauni pansit sa Cebu ang bam-i. So it's not correct to say Cebuano bam-i. That's redundant. Because when you say bam-i, sa Cebu man gyud na, no? So this was a dish that was popularized in the Parian district where the Chinese mestizos used to live at the turn of the century. Okay, so pansit, the pansit that we have in Cebu is bam-i. So the ingredients for the bam-i are all here on the table. Of course, we have the two kinds of noodles. The egg noodle, which is called sumi, I think, and the sotanghon. This is vermicelli, no? A noodle that is made from mung beans. Okay. So for our aromatics, we have garlic, round onions or Bermuda onions, and then we have spring onions. This one is the most aromatic of all. And we have a little soy sauce. That's one indication that is a Chinese dish, no? That it started as a Chinese dish. Soy sauce. Because Cebuanos did not have soy sauce in the first place until the Chinese taught us how to use soy sauce. Okay? And then, what makes the bam-i special are the following ingredients. Shredded pork, shredded chicken, oyster mushrooms. This is another kind of mushrooms. My goodness, I forgot the name of this one. And then dried squid and shrimps. Now, the shrimps are shelled because we gather the shells to add to the flavor of the soup. The shell of the shrimps are squashed like this, no, to bring out the shrimpy flavor here, no. Squash them in the almueres. Okay, and then you add a cup of water to extract the shrimp juice, which will be used later for our bam-i. The next thing to do is to soak the sotanghon in water. The sotanghon is soaked in water para muhumok na siya daan. So it will soften before we add it to the broth, no? The sumi we don't need to soak. Now we will start in a while to saute everything. So naluto na ang atong bami. Nawa, no? Maayo kay ni siyang putahe kay daghang makakaon niya for the price that you know of the ingredients. It's very affordable by everybody. As long as you know kung saan ninyo pag inot-inot ba ang palito na baboy kanang mga bukugon, pagbukalan naman na nato aron makuha nato ang sabaw, no, na maibutang nato sa atong pagsit ang sabaw. Unya palita og mga ang nukos mapalit na nakatong pinino na dili misal katong dako nga nukos nga buwad. And the shrimps, pili lang sad mo gagmay nga pasayan, haron dili kayo mahal. O duha ka size nga manok, igo na. No, basta ang tubig na inyong gipabukalan sa inyong mga karne, gamiton gyud para sa sabaw. Kay mohatag og extra nga paglasa. Ma-notice ninyo na akong gidukdok ang panit ug sa pasayan. Unya, gisagulan og tubig, gipuga ug gi-appeal sa sabaw sa kaldo sa atong bami. Kay mo-add man siya og another dimension of taste and flavor. So cooking is not just with the taste, with the mouth, but it's also with the nose. If the food smells nice, you are enticed to eat it. So karong hapit ka ba ang Chinese New Year? Mahimo ni natong lutuon to celebrate its coming. Okay. This has been another episode of Taste of Cebu. Salamat sa pag-tanaw and please be with us in the coming episodes. This is your host, Louella Eslao-Alix. See you next time.